Ford Focus 2012 through 2018, 2-liter Duratec, 2-liter EcoBoost. Replace this part before it's too late. This part I'm talking about is the water pump. If you've got over 200,000 miles on it, don't hesitate. Go ahead and order yourself a $25 water pump on Rock Auto. It's really easy. All you've got to do is raise up the engine, take the engine mount out. The water pump pops right out. What happens is, as they age and get old, the seal on it will randomly just give out. And it's kind of like a ticking time bomb. Once it goes out, I've seen it many times where it kind of explodes coolant everywhere and just starts pouring out as fast as you pour it in. Believe it or not, when I bought that red Focus right there, that's what had happened. It actually killed the engine. Yeah, it killed a 2-liter Duratec. If that says anything about how bad the coolant leaks can get on those. But yeah, just a quick video, kind of a public service announcement, if you will, on these. As these Focuses are aging, the water pumps are obviously aging at the same time. So if your car's 10 years old, if it's got over 150 or 200,000 miles on it, just replace it. That'll give you a lot of peace of mind. All right, you guys have yourselves a great day. Hope this video helped you out. Take care. Let me know if you got any questions in the comments below. I've also got a Facebook and Discord group. Bye-bye.